Hi, sweetie. Congratulations to our sister Hilda. 2 hours before me making this video, come and see the good news from Guinness World Record. Let's read. We are delighted to announce that Hilda Baci is the new record holder for the longest cooking marathon. So guys, how did you see this? Just 2 hours ago, I was just scrolling on my phone. I just come across this post. I was like, I'm so grateful. I'm so excited seeing this, guys. My excitement goes to Hilda. I'm happy that Hilda follow her dream. I'm happy that Hilda make impact in the part of her kitchen. Hilda make name from her kitchen. Hilda make name for her cooking. My happiness is that Hilda did not give up in her career. She see her career as a cooking, and she's know that she's going to make it through cooking. She focus on her career. Now she have make name, she have make every good thing that she really wants through her cooking. This is so amazing, really. I'm so happy for her, for focusing, for knowing that she can make it in her kitchen. She did not say that because I'm cooking in the kitchen, that means somebody will know me, that means I don't have anything, to say, I'm nobody as a woman. No, she focused on her cooking. She know that through this cooking, I'm going to make impact in my life. Through this cooking, I'm going to be somebody. Through this cooking, I know where I'm going to. She focused. In all the Nigeria cooking ladies and men we have, all the chefs that we have in Nigeria, you can easily call Hilda one of them. All her recipe is given. She know how to present her recipe. She know everything she does. Her cooking is so nice. Now she go for this award. She cook for 100 hours. She did not just come out and just say, I want to cook for 100 hours. She worked for it. She planned it. She settled for it. She focused. She worked towards her direction. And she make it happen. I will not say it's by her power, but I know that God is always there to lead her children. God still put her for her, and everything work out for her good. I'm so happy for her today. I'm so happy that she has really get nail from her cooking skill. I'm really happy for her that she did not give up because she's just a chef or she's just a cooking lady. She don't know, as in she know that I'm going somewhere with this my cooking. For all of us watching me today, in all you are doing, it doesn't mean you are going to be chef, it doesn't mean you are going to be whatever, but in all you know that this is my passion. Always working on your passion. Why I'm doing this video again is to tell myself, ever since I was born, I love what I always do, that is cooking. Anything I do is what I know that I have passion of it. I don't just come to do because I want to do. I do because I have passion of it. Ever since I was born, I love cooking, and I'm so grateful to see the opportunity again to come out on a platform like this to cook for the world to see. I am so grateful, and my happiness again is to see people win through this cooking, and I still believe that I'm still going to win through this cooking. I still give myself that courage, because when you work on your success you must always get. For Hilda making this name today, making this award this year, making this award for all the whole Nigeria, I'm so grateful. I'm honored. I'm so happy for her. For all the Nigerians that make this possible, it cannot be Hilda alone. All your posts, all your support, all of you that make this thing to happen, all the Nigeria social media holder, you guys are so amazing. I'm happy to see the way you guys support yourself. I'm happy to see the way you guys make sure that you guys win. It's so good. Hilda did not get this world record because you are calling it Hilda. It's Nigeria that have it. Okay, the respect goes to we Nigeria, and I'm happy that we all make it possible. I'm so happy for us loving ourselves, for us being united to get this to our home. It's so grateful. So for all you does, guys, make sure that as far as your passion, as far that you know this is what I know how to do, this is what I want to do, we are going to go to somewhere, and we are heading to somewhere. We not just end like this, we are heading somewhere. So that is just it. I'm so grateful for Hilda. I'm so happy. When I come across this post, I was so excited. Congratulations to you, my sweet sister. Congratulations to you. You are so, so amazing. I love all you does. I love your handwork. Your handwork bring you here. Keep on being you. Keep on working hard. Keep on letting the world to know that. So I'm so, so happy that this come your way, and many more of this is coming your way. Thank you for making cooking to have value. Thank you for adding value to cooking. Thank you for adding value to all the chefs all over the world. I'm so, so grateful. I'm so, so grateful that this come our way. You did not have it alone. All of us have it. That is my happiness to you and her happiness to me. You give me more courage to know that what I'm doing, I am following my path. I am following the right way. That's why I'm celebrating with you today. More respect to you, and for all you Nigeria that support and made this to happen, many more respect to you guys. Keep on sharing, keep on supporting one another. The God of support will never going to leave our path. I sign out now. Bye bye.